Hello there, everybody. So, this is my capstone project for the Amazon and Walmart sentiment analysis. And I'm Yugo Chiku Roland Tabugbo Jr. I'm the one that will be presenting to you. All right. So, for the overview, this project will compare customer reviews from Amazon and Walmart, two very large e-commerce retailer giants, and it'll utilize natural language processing and predictive modeling. The goal will be to leverage four data sets that'll identify sentiment trends, engagement from reviews, and product perception patterns. As for the business objectives, we're going to analyze customer reviews for sentiment trends across Amazon and Walmart. This will help us to predict review helpfulness and any recurring themes for customer feedback through topic modeling. As for the business understanding, customer feedback helps drive strategy in the e-commerce world. Essentially, for customer sentiment and for any business decisions that we are making, it all comes down to the customer experience, the user insights that we derive from reviews that they give for specific products. Platforms like Amazon and Walmart have rich data for analyzing satisfaction and behavior for its user base. Any sentiment analysis across these platforms helps us tailor messaging and engagement to boost brand trust and customer loyalty. The predictive models will assess review helpfulness, this aids in content moderation and improves the buyer's experience. Topic modeling will review recurring themes, inform product development, service enhancements, and data-driven enhancements. As for the stakeholders, that is the product managers, the marketing teams, the business intelligence analysts, basically workers that utilize this information for the business needs. This includes any customer experience teams, and let's not forget C-suite level executives that are trying to drive profit margins as much as they can. But what this doesn't include are the customers themselves. Very important that we appeal to the customers by analyzing the information that they give to a business through reviews. For the business area, the focus will be on customer feedback analytics within e-commerce operations. This will support any decisions in marketing, for product development, and for customer experience through sentiment and behavior analysis. The purpose is also to drive user satisfaction and brand reputation by uncovering any actionable insights that we can derive from these product reviews. For success criteria, it's important that we have clean, high quality data that we can derive from, that we can utilize to create sufficient models. It has to be robust, high quality, has to have a vast amount of features, roughly 20 to 25, with well over 20,000 cases. The models have to be valid and accurate. We have to test how valid and accurate these models are for driving any business related decisions. They also have to be clear, relevant to the business, to visualizations that are created for stakeholders, especially non-technical stakeholders that will be able to read these models and be able to corroborate any insights that we drive from them, because it's important that we appeal to both technical and non-technical stakeholders. As for background and research, the customer reviews help shape decisions and strategy, especially in electronics where detailed feedbacks give insights into user experience. By analyzing the Walmart and customer reviews, this will reveal platform specific sentiment and engagement trends that'll guide marketing and product decisions. For reference, Macaulay, Pandy, and Luskovic explored product relationships through Amazon reviews in a foundational knowledge discovery in database paper. In addition, Denthergy compiled a merged dataset of Walmart and Amazon reviews for comparative sentiment studies, and this is one of the datasets that will be utilized for the project. As for the research gaps, Huang et al. On a 2023 paper focused on a single platform sentiment analysis, but this had limited attention for any cross-platform comparisons. For Boa's 2024 paper, utilized advanced models like Roberta to outperform basic ones. These current studies do lack analysis of review behavior differences between Amazon and Walmart. And as for what Roberta is, it's a type of AI technology used for NLP. It's a specific model designed for understanding and interpreting language in a way that's more efficient than other models. This project will work to fill the gap by applying a unified framework that compares sentiment, themes, and engagement across both platforms. As for the project goals, we'll analyze how customer feedback differs across Amazon and Walmart to uncover sentiment and engagement patterns that inform business decisions. The project will also highlight platform specific influences like demographics, the way the site is designed, and any review systems on how customers express their feedback or sentiments. Natural language processing will be applied, machine learning models will also be applied, and visualizations will be utilized to extract insights from unstructured review data in order to improve decision making. We'll also strengthen data analytics skills that'll align with the project with career goals in tech and retail through real-world customer-focused analysis. As for the KPIs or key performance indicators, sentiment classification accuracy will be utilized. We'll also review helpfulness, prediction, performance. They'll also look at topic model coherence, along with the visualization, clarity, and impact of the models. For the expected insights, the Amazon reviews might be longer and more structured. Walmart may show broader emotional variance due to there being a more interpersonal interaction between Walmart workers and the customers, due to the customers having to, most of the time, go to the store. Sometimes they interact with the employees, they interact with the registers when they go check out their items for any suggestions or for any assistance in searching for items. So there will be more emotional variance. It may have less to do with the product and more to do with the service, while the Amazon reviews may have more to do with the product and also more to do with, let's say, how long it takes for them to receive their items or if there were any delays related to the product. Topic models will also expected to be uncover platform specific review themes as mentioned before. As for the milestones and timeline, week 2 includes the collection of the data. Week 4 is when the data will be cleaned and pre-processed for modeling, and eventually we'll create the visualizations to present to the stakeholders. And by week 9 through 11, we'll report on the insights, whether they were expected or whether they weren't, based on what was discovered. As for the lessons learned, week 1, I learned to define the project scope and objectives along with reviewing the literature and align tools for analysis. Early data exploration did reveal challenges. Week 2, I acquired and explored the Amazon and Walmart review data sets. I began the initial data profiling and assessment. For week 3, I started working on the second assignment. The project scope was revised, the success criteria also revised, and the business understanding sections were looked at. For week 4, I began outlining how the data sets will be processed. I reviewed the steps for data preparation and preparation for the third assignment. As for the datasets overview, all of these were utilized from Kaggle. For the Amazon reviews, it utilized 34,661 entries with 20 columns, and these include detailed review text, ratings, and product metadata for electronics. This dataset was provided by Datafinity in 2019. For the Walmart reviews, utilized 29,997 reviews and 18 features or columns that offers similar review content, titles, and ratings for direct comparisons. This was provided by Prompt Cloud. They created it in 2021, but it's from 2020 data. For the Walmart product data from 2019, this has 30,000 entries with 14 features. These focus on electronic feedback with additional product level context. For the Amazon/Walmart combined data set from Denthergy in 2023, this utilizes 162,272 entries with 7 columns. This is the largest and most robust data set that enables large-scale sentiment and trend analysis across platforms. This is the data diagram that I created in order to visualize how the information will be cross collaborated with one another and how they will complement each other via a flowchart. For the high-level data design, the combined datasets enable cross-platform comparison with the combined Amazon and Walmart reviews, contributing sentiment and engagement data via comparison of rates. The diagram highlights that both the Amazon reviews and the Walmart reviews datasets contribute detailed customer sentiment and review content. The Walmart 2019 and 2020 dataset adds product context through pricing and availability. This creates non-context analysis. Data preparation will include handling imbalance, outliers, and missing values for models accuracy. The data diagram guides how variables, whether textual, numeric, or categorical, are merged and analyzed. This is the potential unified dataset variable documentation for when the datasets are melded together. And as you can see, these are the variables, the definitions, the data type, and potential quality issues, which will be the most challenging part for compiling and potentially melding the datasets. As for the data challenges and strategy, there will be shared core variables like product name, rating, and review text, supporting cross-platform sentiment and engagement analysis. Each dataset adds unique values. The Amazon dataset offers detailed identifiers. The 2020 Walmart dataset includes verification flags, and the 2019 Walmart dataset adds pricing context. Data quality challenges will include any missing values, inconsistent labels, and rating imbalance, along with variable text formats addressed when pre-processing. Collectively, the datasets will enable robust analysis of customer satisfaction, sentiment trends, and any business insights across the e-commerce platforms. As for the preparation, cleansing, and transformation of the data, standardized, structured, and unstructured data across Amazon, Walmart, and combined data sets will enable consistent analysis. Will handle missing values by removing critical incomplete records, i.e., missing review text and dropping non essential fields with high null counts or high missingness. I'll also address rating imbalance with strategies like Moat for any oversampling. I'll also utilize undersampling or class weighting to improve the model's performance. I'll also convert data types such as dates into standardized formats for any time-related analysis and tracking of trends. I'll apply natural language preprocessing such as lowercasing, stop word removal, lemmatization, and tokenization to prepare review context for sentiment and topic modeling. I'll detect and manage outliers in ratings, upvotes, and prices using box plots and z-scores, which will retain meaningful extremes where relevant. I'll align and merge the datasets using the shared fields, for example, the product name and brand, and standardized the column names for any effective cross-platform training. And these are these are the references that we used for this project so far. Well, thank you for watching my presentation. I'll ask you for any questions afterwards.